Welcome to a realm where gravity seems to be merely a suggestion, and the boundary between the mortal world and the celestial realm fades into the mist. We are entering Wangxian Valley, located in Shangrao City, Jiangxi Province, a place often described as a real-life version of a purely fantasy world. This is not just a scenic spot. It is a breathtaking village suspended on steep cliffs, renowned for its glowing nightscapes and defying architectural logic. Here, you will find the hanging houses clinging to the vertical rock faces, creating one of the most surreal skylines in all of China. It holds the distinction of being a premier example of Gan-style architecture revitalized for the modern era, preserving the ancient spirit of the Jiangxi Mountains. From the thunderous waterfalls cascading through the village to the intricate winding paths, every corner whispers legends of Taoist immortals. Prepare your senses for an unforgettable journey. Let us embark together to explore this suspended paradise. The Wangxian Valley is nestled deep within the Lingshan mountain range of Guangxin district, offering a secluded sanctuary far removed from the noise of modern urban life. Its history is ancient, tracing its spiritual roots back to the Eastern Han Dynasty, a period of profound mysticism and cultural development in Chinese history. The valley is steeped in the legend of Hu Chu, a famous historical figure and high-ranking official who abandoned his political power to seek the Tao. It is said that amidst these very peaks, Hu Chu cultivated his spirit and eventually ascended to become an immortal, leaving behind a legacy of transcendence. This legend gives the valley its name, Wangxian, which poetically translates to gazing at immortals, or looking towards the immortals. Here is a question for our history enthusiasts. Apart from Hu Chu, Wangxian Valley is associated with a specific historical trade route. Do you know what vital commodity was transported through these mountains in ancient times, linking Jiangxi to the coastal provinces? Please write your answer in the comments below. The architectural mastery of Wangxian Valley is nothing short of a structural miracle, blending traditional aesthetics with daring engineering feats. The village is dominated by cliff-hanging houses, constructed using a mix of traditional timber framing and modern reinforcement to secure them to the sheer rock walls. These structures utilize the distinctive yellow earth walls and gray tiles, typical of the Gan vernacular style, creating a warm, golden hue that contrasts with the green cliffs. Visitors traverse the valley via the Lanyue Bridge and the exhilarating glass skywalk, which offer vertigo-inducing views of the gorge below. The intricate woodwork, stone carvings, and the seamless integration of buildings into the natural topography demonstrate a profound respect for nature. If you are amazed by this cliffside architecture, please make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment about which house you would choose to live in. While Wangxian Valley acts as a settlement, its soul is deeply rooted in Taoist philosophy and the ancient Chinese pursuit of Shuxian, the cultivation of immortality. The valley is designed to reflect the Taoist ideal of harmony between humanity and the cosmos, serving as a physical manifestation of a spiritual retreat. Temples and shrines, such as the Sanking Temple located within the vicinity, provide spaces for ritual and contemplation, honoring local deities and ancestral spirits. The atmosphere here encourages a meditative state, where the sound of flowing water and the sight of rising mist serve as tools for inner peace. It is a place where pilgrims have historically come to cleanse their minds, believing the mountain air contains spiritual energy, or qi, conducive to health and longevity. The spatial layout of Wangxian Valley is a masterpiece of vertical planning, utilizing every inch of the dramatic three-dimensional landscape. The valley is divided into distinct zones: the bustling market streets on the valley floor and the serene floating accommodations on the cliffs above. A rushing stream cuts through the center of the village, acting as the lifeline that connects the upper reaches of the waterfall to the lower pools. Stone staircases wind like dragons through the settlement, connecting courtyards and viewing platforms in a labyrinthine pattern that invites exploration. This tiered arrangement ensures that every vantage point offers a unique perspective. Whether looking up at the towering cliffs or gazing down at the bustling ancient streets. The visual identity of Wangxian Valley is defined by several iconic symbols that have captured the imagination of photographers worldwide. The most striking symbol is the artificial waterfall, which cascades from a great height, creating a mist that perpetually shrouds the village in mystery. Another key icon is the suspended wooden walkway clinging to the cliff face, representing the precarious yet resilient nature of life in the mountains. At night, the village transforms as thousands of lanterns and modern lighting installations illuminate the outlines of the houses, earning it the nickname, the City of Stars. These lights reflect off the water, creating a dreamlike symmetry that symbolizes the connection between the heavens and the earth. Wangxian Valley is a guardian of the intangible cultural heritage of Jiangxi Province, actively preserving fading folk arts. The valley hosts workshops demonstrating ancient crafts such as bamboo weaving, paper making, and traditional brewing, keeping these skills alive for new generations. It has gained international attention on social media platforms as a premier example of China's rural revitalization efforts, turning a once poverty-stricken area into a world-class destination. The restoration project has been praised for its ability to balance economic development with the preservation of the region's authentic cultural DNA. It stands as a testament to the enduring appeal of Chinese rural aesthetics, attracting scholars and tourists from across the globe. Today, visiting Wangxian Valley is an immersive experience that transports travelers back in time while providing modern comforts. Guests can stay in the cliffside boutique hotels, waking up to clouds floating past their windows, effectively living the life of a modern-day hermit. The streets come alive with Hanfu enthusiasts, visitors wearing traditional Chinese clothing, adding to the immersive cinematic atmosphere of the location. Whether you are here to hike the rugged trails, taste the local spicy Jiangxi cuisine, or simply gaze at the moon from a hanging terrace, the experience is magical. Thank you for joining us on this journey to the cliffside fairyland. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to support our channel. See you in the next adventure.